How to get a web browser on Vizio Smart TV. Hey guys, if you are looking how to install the Google Chrome or the Safari browser on your Vizio TV, so I will let you know different options. The first option is to install an external device to your TV, either it is a Roku TV or the Firestick or the Xiaomi device. So these different devices, either you can also use the Apple device. So you can use any other device or external device to install on your TV. That will give you the ability to install a browser on your Vizio TV. The second step is to install the BrowseX. BrowseX is actually support the Vizio TV, which you can install from going on to internet, download the APK and install it onto your Vizio TV. And apart from that, you will have to use the Vizio SmartCast mobile app, which you will have to install from the Play Store and on your mobile device. And you will be able to cast your mobile onto your TV. And the last step is, if you have a computer system or laptop, you can use the HDMI to connect your laptop to your Vizio TV, and you can use then browser from the laptop to your TV. So these are the different options. So if you directly want to use a Google Chrome or the Safari web browser on your Vizio TV, I will recommend you to use any of the external devices. So these are the different options to get a web browser on your Vizio Smart TV. If you like this video, please subscribe.